Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Friday afternoon and it's weekend pour time. So I so enjoyed the blue one that I did in the previous video that I'm actually going to try and recreate it, but using purples and greys. We're having our main bathroom redone and the colors are going to be grey and purple, so hopefully this is going to go in there somewhere. So yeah, let's get going. I think I'll start with, I've actually got a silver here, a neutral grey, and then just a darker grey mix that I'm made from mixing black and white. Here we've got a royal purple, then we've got just a lighter purple, and then of course my favourite, the deep violet. And my two swipe colours are going to be the royal purple and some silver. So let's get going. Let me start over here. And actually the mistake I made in the last pour, where I poured the swipe mixture in with the colors instead of just on the swipe, I'm actually going to do that again. So half of this is actually, I'm just going to put this silver with the Floetrol on here, and then the other half is going to be used for the swipe on the other side. So that's for that. There we go. Always got to get the edges. Yeah, that's working well now. Perfect. Okay, great. So that's the greys done. And now we're going to do the other side, which will start here. Okay guys, I think we're ready. Get my paper ready. Give it a fold over. Oh. What's up there, cat? What's up there? There we go. So we're going to be pulling this way first. So this way is the purple. I'm going to put our purple swipe colour down the middle here. Just like that. Here we go guys. Whoa! Let's hope that this works nicely, just like the last one. Wow, that is interesting. I think I didn't really pull. Oh, it got too deep with the paper, which is why it's dragged that grey sort of all the way across here. But as soon as I start to torch it, I'm sure I haven't even got my lighter here. I don't think I have. I'm sure it'll start to sort itself out. So there you can see that side. Now let's just do the other side. And then we can start flaming, and hopefully I won't pull it as deep this time because I think I pulled too much of the grey. Right, which one was it? It was this one. Was it? Oh, this one. Yeah, that's the one. Oh no, going the wrong way. Now I need the grey. Damn. I have too much paint on here now. Right, let's go. There we go, guys. It's starting to sell up nicely. Where's my blowtorch? Right, let's see how this is. Wow, there we go. I like it. It's very interesting, and there's a lot of very fine webbing, or lacing I should say, on here. I guess that's because I put the Floetrol into the mix. There's some nice big cells coming out here, and looking nice in the middle. That only section there I'm just a bit annoyed about, but because it doesn't really fit in with the flow, but I mean it still looks very nice. I'll just give it one more flame. See what else we can develop here. Well, it is the exact sort of effect I want. If you think, compared it to that previous one that I did with the blues, this is turned out almost exactly the same, except with grey and purple. So there you have it, guys. Hope you have a great weekend. We've got a whole weekend of rain, so I'll probably be pouring again at some point. But yeah, have a good weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The more people we can get watching, the better for everyone. Good to share the art that we create. So yeah, have a good one. Catch you on the flip side. Cheers.